There are several things to consider when choosing a bandsaw for educational use. Please spend just 3 minutes watching this video before you make a very important choice. Firstly, safety. Safety is always important on any machine, but doubly so on a machine used in an educational environment. This video covers the 3 ACM education machines, 440, 540 and 640. All of these are manufactured in Italy and are of industrial quality. 90% of other offerings in this market, whatever the brand implies, come from China. On safety, the first thing to consider is restriction of authorized use. All the ACM educational machines have a high quality lockable isolator to the rear of the machine. The machines have electronically interlocked doors, so the machine will not run when the doors are open. But with the ACM education range, these doors are always locked with a key, making the inside of the machine accessible only to those with the key. The machine comes to a stop in under 10 seconds, which is a legal requirement, and this is achieved on the ACM machines with an industrial electromechanical brake to give years of service. This is a tried and tested system used on all industrial machines. The brake is activated by the main switch, the emergency kick stop, or with any loss of power. The top guide on each machine is a durable and easily set ceramic guide. Regarding safety, this guide does not revolve unlike others. Even so, it is fully guarded. Now, reliability. Nobody wants an unreliable machine or a machine that needs constant attention to produce good results. ACM machines are used throughout industry and have the constructional integrity you would expect from a European built machine. These machines are delivered ready to go. You don't want 2 boxes delivered to you with several parts. ACM machines come complete and each have been individually tested at the factory. Only the table is removed for transport, but the fence bar on the table which sets the position of fence to blade is factory set. So it is table and blade on, connection by a qualified electrician, and then enjoy 25 years of safe bandsawing perfection. If you would like further details, please contact us today.